Chapter 8, Logarithmic Function, Part 2. In this video, I want to introduce several properties of logarithmic functions. The first property, obvious, log a with base a. Because I know the definition of log a with base a, that means I want to know the number such that a to the power that number is equal to the a. And so a to the power 1 is equal to a, so the answer is 1. Similarly, log 1 with base a, I want to know the number such that a to the power that number is equal to 1. So log 1 with base a is equal to 0. Because I know a to the power 0 is equal to 1, and then in this case a to the power 1 is equal to a. Okay? How about C, property C? Log m times n is equal to log m plus log n. And why? I also want to deduce this property to you. You may let x is equal to log m with base a, and y is equal to log n with base a. In this case, I know m is equal to x, a to the power x, because this is the relationship between these three terms. M is equal to a to the power x, and n is equal to a to the power y. This is the meaning of this relationship between a, m, and x. Log m with base a， 即係問緊究竟 a 嘅幾多次方為 m， 咁所以如果等於 x 咧，即係 a 嘅 x 次方等於 m 啦。a 嘅 x 次方等於 m 啦。咁相同 log n with base a 等於 y， 即係話緊 a 嘅 y 次方等於 n。So, what is m times n on the left hand side? M times n is equal to a to the power x times a to the power y. I know, according to the law of inverse, m times n is equal to a to the power x plus y. If m times n is equal to a to the power x plus y, then I can rewrite this relationship to log m times n is equal to x plus y with base a. Then what is x plus y? X plus y, by our original definition, x is equal to log m, y is equal to log n. Then you can rewrite it. This is one of our property. You can also use, you can use the same idea to deduce these properties. Try to let log m and log n and try to find the division of these two terms, m and n, and then you can deduce this relationship. I don't want to go for it. Remember, this is one of the properties. Let's see how can we apply the property to prove. Do the following example. Example 7.4. Find the values of the following without using calculator. Log 3 with base 6 plus log 2 with base 6. Then, can you observe this one similar to this one? Log m plus log n with same base. We can change to log m times n with base 6. So this is log 6 with base 6. The answer is 1. Maybe you can use the property A to find the answer, or if you remember the meaning, log 6 with base 6, that means I want to know the power such that 6 to the power of that number is equal to 6. So the answer is 1, obvious. Log n, part B. Log 9 with base 10 minus log 90 with base 10. Which property we can use? Can you observe? They are similar. Log m minus log n is equal to log m over n with base 10. So log 9 divided by 90 is equal to 1 over 10. So it's 10 to the power negative 1. It's 10. So the answer is negative 1 because I want to know the power such that 10 to the power that number is equal to 10 to the power negative 1. 問緊10嘅幾多次會係10嘅負1次，咁啊自然係負1啦。The fifth properties. If log m to the power n with base a is equal to n times log m with base a, that means we can, if the number inside the function we have power, we can change it, okay? Move it in front of the function. That means change to n to the power n times log m over a. Okay, let's see how to apply it. Part C. Log 16 with base 7 over log 2 with base 7. Maybe some of you try to use property D, but remember they are different. This one is log m over n, one log only, okay? But this time, okay, we have two log function, okay? So we cannot use subtraction to do it. So how can we do it? 16 and 2. I find both 16 can change to 2 to the power something. If you want to eliminate, okay, some log over, log over log, okay, just like this example. In general, we'll use the method of elimination. So change to log 7. Log 2 with 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So I change 16 to 2 to the power 4 with base 7. Why I want to change it? I want to apply the fifth properties. Log m to the power n. Then I can change the power in front of the function. 4 times log 2 with base 7 over log 2 with base 7. You remember I mentioned if I want to simplify it, okay, in general, okay, for this kind of question, log over log, I will use the method of elimination. After changing the base, okay, from 16 to 2, and then I find some common term, I can eliminate it, cross it out, remain 4. So you may do the following exercise too, and let's discuss. If you have any difficulty, okay, let's discuss during our lesson.